What's going on, guys? Hey, it's Anthony with the Wrenched Out Garage. It is garage talk time, so got a bunch of cool things I'm gonna talk to you guys and do today. But first, let's talk real quick. If you guys are following me on Instagram, you guys saw that I picked up the C7Carbon ZL1 1LE front splitter for the Camaro. I'm going to do a couple of videos on that first. Obviously, I'll do the install video, and then I think I'll do a comparison video between the ZL1 1LE versus the ZL1 front splitter, because I have both of them. More to come on that. That'll be coming out probably next week, I'm thinking, depending on how my week goes. Something super cool that I'm just blown away with. The guys and gals over at Superclean reached out to me and said, hey, we know that you use the product because I use it in some of my videos. Would you be interested in trying some product? And of course, Superclean being the #1 degreaser that I use. Let's see where it is. Right here. And I've used it for years. Figured why not? So they sent me a bunch of cool stuff. Now I'm gonna do a full review on all these products, but today, because I gotta wash my truck, I thought why not try their all-wheel cleaner. Now a couple of things about Superclean, if you guys don't know, let me show you this little chart. They sent it over to me because I've used it, like I said, for many years. I'm gonna continue using it. It's super awesome. They sent me the wheel cleaner, the foaming. They also sent me this as well, this new aerosol, and then a bottle. So I'm not sure if it was because I was using just a generic bottle right there and they wanted me to use this bottle, but I will use it regardless. I just thought that was kind of funny. Couple of things. So it's industrial strength, so you can obviously move this stuff down. There's kind of their scale. But regardless, we're gonna put this to the test today with the wheel cleaner. I'm gonna grab some towels, so I'm gonna wash the ram rubble. Like I said, I have to go get gas in the truck, then shoot over to a dentist appointment, and then finally we'll go over to the car wash. So I don't know how much footage and all this stuff. I do have some new gear for this setup as well that we will be putting together, but I gotta get going because I'm gonna be late if I don't. Also, a couple other side notes. Superclean sent me this really cool shirt. I will be wearing it. I didn't this morning because I already had stuff going on. So gray Superclean, and that's right, America. Cool hat too. Thank you guys at Superclean. I will be using this product, not just this time, but many times over. I'll also put links to all these products down below if you guys are interested in getting it yourself. Let's grab some of these terry towels. Let me find some terry towels here. So I got my towels, and I'm gonna grab the wheel cleaner, and I'll probably see you guys at the car wash. If you guys watched the last video, I did get this installed. I'll do a full detailed kind of review and all of that on the Max 2 by Escort. A couple of things I love about this freaking Ram Rebel, and I'm going to do a full review of that as well once it warms up a little bit, is, you know, the push button start. Absolutely love it. Oh, and I have to route this so it routes up, hangs up the side, and then goes over there. That's one of many things I love about this truck. I do drive in aero mode, so if you look right there, which on the settings is down there, except for if I'm gonna go off-road or do whatever, because then I get maximum fuel economy. Truck's a little bit of a mess, which is the other reason why I'm gonna obviously wash it, but let's look at this before we shoot over to the car wash. So again, it's a Superclean all-wheel cleaner, and then the directions says clean one wheel at a time, rinse wheel thoroughly with cold water, coat wheel surface with Superclean all-wheel cleaner about 6 inches away, allow foaming action to work for 30 seconds. For extremely dirty wheels, you want to agitate and clean all of that stuff. This FedEx truck almost just hit me backing into this position. That's a hell of a, look at this dude. He's whipped right in there. Anyways, so I'm gonna try that stuff out, but I did bring the terry towels. I'll do a quick wipe, interior wipe down. You guys aren't gonna see much of that, but what I will do, get over to the car wash, show you what it looks like on the outside, use this chemical, and excuse me, use a chemical, and then show you guys what the end product is. Now, I do wash the truck often in the winter, not as often as I do in the summer, but I do try to keep all the debris and all the stuff off of it. There's chunks of ice and snow and whatnot built up on the truck, so I'm gonna clean that off as well and pretty much just give it a quick once over. But this product, the Superclean product, I am gonna use on the Camaro and more than likely the V-Rod as well. So this is just a first trial run on it. I thought it would be best just to do it this way to see how good the product is. Again, Superclean sent me this and some other products. Thank you guys at Superclean. I hope you guys like this. So let's get to the car wash and wash the truck. All right, so let's try this out. Alright guys, so we just wrapped up washing the Ram Rebel. For a few things to note for a winter wash. First, we were talking about the Superclean all-wheel cleaner right here. This stuff did a really good job. It actually broke a bunch of the dirt and debris that was caked up behind the wheel. I didn't get the camera to move it around because obviously I was on a timer. This summer and spring I'll be doing a full, more comprehensive review and showing you guys exactly what that can do. On the winter cleaning note though, if you guys are washing your truck or car, a couple of things. So I bring those 2 towels with me. I always do that. And the reason I do is I use one to wipe the water off the truck and in the door jambs, the ram box, and the tailgate, and then the other one I go back behind it and make sure it's all dry to include the vehicle itself. Now I do that obviously so the doors aren't frozen shut, so forth and so on, but I do try to keep the truck clean because this is my daily driver in the winter time. I highly suggest you doing the same thing if you're out driving around. Now obviously if you're parked in a garage and you don't drive very much and your truck stays clean, hey, that's to your own. But if you don't and you're like me, my truck's parked outside and today's a cold ass day. It is, let's see if it'll show, 10 degrees outside and it is pretty darn cold. With that being said, hey, thank you guys for tuning in. This is another episode of Garage Talk. I'm Anthony. If you guys have not subscribed, consider doing that. Hit that subscribe button down below. We are going to start giving away some of those Garage Life stickers here within the next couple of videos. I'm just going to throw something super simple out there, and if you guys want them, just let me know. In the meantime, if you're out riding or driving, do it safely. I'll catch you guys in the next video.